Welcome to VCS IT Solutions Private Limited. Today we are discussing about most important topic, the most popular and in demand in demand IT skills IT skills in 2025 in 2025 most popular and in demand IT skills in the year of 2025. First place, artificial intelligence. Artificial intelligence and machine learning. Machine learning. Simply we are calling as AI and ML. AI and ML. That is the first position. Artificial intelligence, AI and machine learning. Next one, second one, generative AI. Generative AI. Generative AI and LLMS. Large language models. Large language models. Third one is cloud computing. Cloud computing, like as either AWS, Azure, GCP, Google Cloud, and etc. And fourth position, cyber security, cyber security, cyber security. And next one is data engineering and data analytics. Data engineering and data analytics. Data analytics. Next one, full stack web development. Full stack web development. Full stack web development. DevOps. DevOps and DevSecOps. DevSecOps. Next one is blockchain. 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 RPA. Automation. Automation and RPA. Robotic process automation. Robotic process automation. Next one, low code, low code, no code platforms. No code platforms. Okay, low code and no code platforms. Okay, artificial intelligence, artificial intelligence, generative AI, cloud computing, cyber security, and data engineering and data analytics, full stack web development, DevOps and DevSecOps, blockchain, automation, RPA, low code, no code platform. These are the top trending skills in the year of 2025. Now observing very clearly, I'm explaining one by one. If anybody want to go to artificial intelligence, AI and ML, AI and ML, what skills are required and why it is demand? Why it is demand? Okay, every industry is automating tasks, making the predictions and personalizing experiences using AI and ML. If we want to go to AI and ML, which programming language is required? Programming language, Python is required. Python skill is required. Next one, we need to require libraries like as a scikit-learn, TensorFlow, PyTorch, Python related libraries, scikit-learn, scikit-learn, TensorFlow, TensorFlow, PyTorch, PyTorch for model building, PyTorch for model building. Okay, programming language is required. NLP for chatbots, NLP, okay, NLP, NLTK library, NLTK library for chatbot. Next one, if you want to deploy these models, we need to require either a Streamlight, either Flask or Past API or anything. Whenever we are learning these artificial intelligence, what are the job roles are there here? Job roles like as a ML engineer, AI developer, AI developer, data scientist, data scientist, data scientist, and AI researcher. AI researcher. Okay. Programming language Python is required, and the job roles are ML engineer, AI developer, data scientist, and AI researcher. Here in the Python providing different scikit-learn for machine learning, TensorFlow and PyTorch for deep learning, NLTK for NLP, NLP, natural language processing for chatbot and translation, sentimental analysis. This is the first demandable skill, artificial intelligence and machine learning. And the second one is generative AI and LLMs, large language models. Now observing very clearly why it is demand, revolutioning content creation, customer support, coding and productivity. Here, what are the skills we need to require? Prompt engineering skill is required. Programming language, compulsory Python is required. Programming language, Python skill is required. Next one, prompt engineering skill is required. Prompt engineering, prompt engineering. Next one, Open AI API. Open AI API, API, Hugging Face, Hugging Face, Hugging Face, Long Chain, Lang Chain, Lang Chain, Lang Chain. Next one, Autogen, Autogen. These are the libraries, Python related library. These libraries are required. Next one, RAG, RAG, Retrieval Augmented Generation, Retrieval Augmented Generation. Okay, whenever we are learning generative AI and LLM, what are the job roles are there here? The job roles are Gen AI developer, Gen AI developer, AI product manager, AI product manager, product manager, prompt engineer, prompt engineer, prompt engineer, LLM engineer, LLM engineer. Okay, these are the job roles in this particular domain. Gen AI developer, AI product manager, prompt engineer, LLM engineer. Next one, third popular domain, cloud computing domain, cloud computing domain, cloud computing domain. Okay, why it is demand? Cloud is cloud is the now the default for deploying and scaling the IT systems. Here, what are the skills are required? What are the skills are required? Cloud architecture, cloud architecture, like EC2 instances, EC2, S3, Lambda, Lambda, IAM. Next, DevOps on cloud, DevOps on cloud, DevOps on cloud, like as a CI/CD pipeline, CI/CD pipelines, monitoring, monitoring, security, security, compliance, compliance, security compliance, serverless computing, serverless computing. Okay, these skills are required. And programming language, Python or Go or shell scripting. These skills are required. Here, what are the job roles are there? What are the job roles are there? Cloud engineer, cloud engineer, cloud architect, cloud architect, site reliability engineer, SRE, site reliability, reliability engineer, reliability engineer. These are the job roles in the cloud computing domain. Next one, cyber security, cyber security, cyber security. Why it is demand? With growing digital threats, companies need secure systems. Okay, with the growing digital threats, companies need secure systems. What are the skills are required here? Network security, network security concept is required. Firewalls concept, firewalls. Next one, penetration testing, penetration testing, ethical hacking, ethical hacking. Next one, SIEM tools like Splunk, Splunk, QRadar, QRadar. These skills are required. And coming to programming languages, Python skill is required. Python skill is required. And the roles, what are the job roles are there here? Security analyst, security analyst, SOC analyst, SOC analyst, ethical hacker, ethical hacker, and etc. This is the cyber security. Next, another domain, data engineering and data analytics. Data engineering and data analytics. Why it is demand? Clean and reliable data is the foundation for analytics and AI. What are the skills are required here? ETL tools, ETL tools like as a Apache, Airflow, Apache, Airflow, Talent, Snowflake, Snowflake, ADF, Azure Data Factory. Next one, big data tools, big data tools, big data tools, big data tools like as a Hadoop, Spark, Kafka. These skills are required. SQL and NoSQL, NoSQL, PostgreSQL, like as a MySQL, PostgreSQL, MySQL, MySQL, PostgreSQL, PostgreSQL, MongoDB, and etc. Next, coming to programming Python, programming Python, and data visualization. For data visualization, we need to require which one? Power BI, Tableau, Tableau. Okay, these skills are required. Next one, job roles in this particular domain. Data engineer, data engineer, BI developer, BI developer, data analyst, data analyst, and etc. Next, another domain, full stack web development, full stack web development, full stack web development. Why it is demand? Every business needs a digital presence. Every business needs a digital presence with modern UI and APIs. Here, what are the skills are required for front-end development? For front-end development, React.js, React.js like HTML, CSS, JavaScript, Bootstrap, and React.js. And backend, backend Python with frameworks Django, Flask, Fast API, Java, Java, Spring, Spring Boot, JavaScript, JavaScript, Node.js, Express, JS. These are the backend development skills. Coming to databases, databases, database management, MySQL, PostgreSQL, MongoDB, and etc. MongoDB, and etc. And API development, API development. For API development, REST, API development, REST, GraphQL, GraphQL, and etc. Here, what are the roles are there? Job roles, full stack developer, full stack developer, front end developer, front end developer, front end developer, back end developer, back end developer. These are the roles. Next one, DevOps, DevOps. What are the skills? Why it is demand to automate the deployment and ensure the app stability. Skills are for CI CD pipeline. We are using Jenkins, GitHub Actions, GitHub Actions for container, container like as a Docker, Kubernetes, Kuber, Kubernetes for containers, infrastructure as a code, infrastructure as a code, infrastructure as a code, Terraform, 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 Ansible, Ansible. Next one for monitoring, for monitoring, for monitoring, Grafana, 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 Datadog, Datadog. Okay, some different tools are required. Here, what are the under programming, either Python or Go, either Ruby scripting or shell scripting, job roles, job roles, DevOps engineer, DevOps engineer, DevOps engineer. Next one, SRE, automation engineer, automation engineer. These are the different job roles in the DevOps domain. Next, another domain, blockchain, blockchain, blockchain. Why it is demand? Secure and decentralized applications are used in finance. Okay, here what are the skills are required? What are the skills are required? Smart contract, solidity, solidity for smart contract, blockchain protocols, blockchain protocols, blockchain protocols, Ethereum, Ethereum, Polygon, Polygon. Next one, crypto wallets, crypto wallets. Next one, web3.js for security. Next one, programming, Python or JavaScript, Python or JavaScript. Now here, what are the job roles are there? Job roles, blockchain developer, blockchain developer, blockchain developer, web3 designer or web3 engineer, and etc. Next one, automation under RPA, automation under RPA, automation under RPA. In that automation under RPA, why it is demand? First, we need to understanding it save the time and cost by automating the repetitive tasks. By automating the repetitive tasks, skills, UI path, UI path, blue prism, blue prism, automation anywhere, automation anywhere, automation anywhere, programming, Python scripting, Python scripting. Okay. Next one here the job roles. Here the job roles RPA developer, RPA developer, automation engineer, automation engineer, engineer, automation engineer. Next one low code, no code platforms, low code, no code platforms. Low code, no code platform. Why it is demand? Enable the faster app development without deep coding skills. Here the skills like as a power apps, power apps, power apps, power automate, power automate, power automate. Next service now, service now. Okay, service now. These are the low code, no code platform. Power apps, power automate, service now, and etc. Here, what are the job roles? Business analyst, business analyst, app builder, app builder, app builder, service now developer, service now developer, admin, admin, solution architect, solution architect, product manager, product manager or product owner. Okay, product manager, and so many skills. Job roles are there. Okay, these are the top most popular and demand skills in the year of 2025. These are the skill set. Okay, first one, artificial intelligence, generative AI, cyber security, data engineering, full stack development, DevOps and DevSecOps, blockchain technology, automation and RPA, and the low code, no code platform. These are the most popular and demand IT skills in the year of 2025. As a fresher, any graduate in the year of 2025, We are looking for a job in the IT domain. Best option is the full stack web development. As a fresher, full stack web development is the first option. Second one, artificial intelligence and machine learning. Artificial intelligence and machine learning. And third option, generative AI. Third option, generative AI. If anybody having some experience, that guys are suitable for any domain, like as artificial intelligence, generative AI, cloud computing, cyber security, data engineering and data analytics, full stack web development, DevOps, blockchain and automation. Especially freshers, full stack web development is the first option. Second one is the artificial intelligence and machine learning. And the third option is the generative AI.